Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to change iPhone text size bigger or smaller for a specific app. First of all, go to your iPhone settings app and here scroll down, tap on Control Center, and here scroll down and you will find here this text size. All you have to need add this text size into your Control Center. As you can see in my Control Center, the text size has been added. Now all you have to need, go to the app where you want to make text bigger. So as you can see right now, I'm in my mail app. Now I want to make this mail text bigger, only mail app text bigger. So I'm opening my Control Center and tapping on this text icon. And now from here, I'm selecting 135% bigger. And here make sure to select, you have to select mail app only, or you have to select the specific app only. Once you selected the specific app, now increase your font size from here. And now as you can see, my mail app fonts successfully changed. And now I'm going to opening my another app, and as you can see, my another app font is not changed, only my mail app font has been changed. And now let's change my files app text. So here's I'm going to selecting default font first, and now I'm going to my files app and opening Control Center, tapping on this text icon, selecting files only and increasing size, text size, and as you can see, my file manager text size has been successfully increased. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.